Acne is one of the most common skin concerns. But did you know the right essential oils can actually help balance oily skin and reduce breakouts? Welcome back to HYSSES. Today we're answering a popular question. Which essential oils and natural products are best for acne-prone skin? We'll also show you how these oils are used in HYSSES skincare. Let's start with tea tree and Hinoki. Tea tree is well known for its antibacterial properties, while Hinoki helps regulate excess oil. Together, they are perfect for oily, acne-prone skin. At HYSSES, you'll find them in products like the facial wash, Tea Tree Hinoki, and Micellar Cleansing Toner Tea Tree Hinoki. If your acne comes with sensitivity or redness, Geranium and Chamomile are ideal. Geranium balances sebum production, while Chamomile calms irritation. HYSSES Facial Micro-Emulsion Cleansing Oil Geranium Chamomile is a great way to gently remove makeup without stripping sensitive acne-prone skin. After breakouts heal, scars and pigmentation can remain. Frankincense supports skin renewal, while Patchouli helps even out tone. Products like the facial scrub Deep Cleansing Frankincense Patchouli work to brighten and smooth, while sun protection, like age-defying brightening sunscreen Frankincense Patchouli, prevents new dark marks. So where do these oils fit into a skincare routine? Start with a cleansing oil. Wash with Tea Tree Hinoki. Exfoliate with Frankincense Patchouli Scrub a few times a week. Tone with Tea Tree Hinoki Micellar Toner. Then hydrate and protect with cream, oil, or sunscreen. This way, you're using oils strategically, not just applying them directly. Not all oils are helpful. Avoid heavy mineral oils, parabens, and synthetic fragrances that can clog pores or irritate acne-prone skin. Stick with pure, plant-based formulas. The right essential oils can transform acne-prone skin. From tea tree and Hinoki for cleansing, to Geranium Chamomile for calming, and Frankincense Patchouli for renewal. Explore the HYSSES Face Collection to discover natural solutions that suit your skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with the next skincare question you'd like us to answer.